Alright, she is now coming along. It's halfway put back together. I decided that I'm gonna leave the side fairings off, just in case. You don't know what's gonna make what easier in life. So, and plus it's only 2 screws and a slide in to put it back on, so I mean it's not gonna bother me. But now we get to the meat potatoes, the holy grail, the reason I'm even recording this video, the reason I even bought the parts in the first place. The exhaust, the muffler, the Yoshimura, the alright, anyways, I'm excited. I just know this is gonna take me about 2 hours, and I've already been here for 2 hours for 1, 2, 3, and 3 don't even work the way I need 3 to work. Like 3 works, just not the way I need it to work. So let's get to it. Lifted up the bike. Time to get under the motherfucking hood. It's not even a hood. It's time to get under it. Yeah. I think I'm about to get up under this thing like it's a car. I'm probably about to sit crisscross applesauce the entire time. Had some black gloves on. He looked a little professional, so I grabbed a pair of my own. Didn't even know I had these. I can't get into my pocket now. Damn it. Unfortunately, for some odd ass reason, this is tightened hard as hell. I can't remove it. I've started stripping the screw. If you can like see it, I don't know. Yeah, barely. Started stripping the screw, so it's gonna give up. I gotta remove this O2 sensor. Oh, I wasn't giving up on the actual exhaust. I was giving up on this. I'm just gotta remove the O2 sensor and more. Hopefully this doesn't get too much in the way, but there's nothing I can do about it. This entire side of my bike pisses me off. I couldn't remove this. Didn't have vice grips. Had to work with what I had. Went old school. What the fuck I'm saying. Remove the O2 sensor. Now I gotta remove this shift lever. Yeah, I gotta remove the shift lever. I'm sorry, I'm mad. Now that we've removed the shift lever from its place, right there, you have to get back here. Remove. I can't even grab it on camera. That nut in there. It's better if you have an extension, but I fucking don't. I don't know. I've sold myself this entire fucking time. I don't know. I was flying by everything. The exhaust is killing me. I haven't even started yet. Alright, today's a completely different day. I figured out that I needed to actually come on this side and remove a bolt that's deep down here. And then now I should be able to pull the thing. So hold on, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna grab these. 2 on each side. So 1, so 2, 2. Take all 4 of these off, and then you should be able to remove the pipes. Only reason I have this box here is so the exhaust doesn't just drop, and some of these either fall through the fairings or whatnot. Well, let me take these off real quick.
Let me lift your mind to a new horizon. Let me explain something to you.
quick little time lapse. Not even time lapse, just jump cut. Had to assemble this, and now we're going to reinstall it up here. We did have to put back the shift bolt. So, you know, the long ass bolt that goes in here, yeah, that's back. So now let's put this up here and we should get hopefully somewhere close to done assembling. Damn! I ain't never seen that before. So I got these screwed in via pipes, and then I got them traveling all the way down here to the exhaust, or the muffler, whatever people want to call it. And everything is connected so far except the springs. So I'm gonna get these springs on. I'm gonna do it barehanded. I don't give a fuck. I got Dawn dish soap. So I'm gonna do it barehanded. What? I'm gonna put the springs on and then connect the AC and turn the bike on. Hopefully it's all good. All right, I got the O2 sensor connected. Didn't move it. I just used method. Don't ask. Just did. So now we're going to reassemble the bike. The bottom fairings, well, that one never came off. So the other side, and we're also going to do the shift lever. And then we should be able to turn this bitch on and hear premium sound. Hopefully. If not, it's going to blow up. I need to find some wood to knock on. All right, our bike's put back together. The exhaust is on. I don't know why this part alone took 3 days, but it did. So let's start it and get it going. I'm excited, but I'm also scared, because if this thing blows up, I'm dead, to be honest with you, but that's not what I was going with at first. Okay. A moment of truth. Holy shit. It do got smoke and steam coming off it. I do gotta clean the pipes. I didn't clean them before I started it. Gengar, Kurumi. I'm just excited. We got the Rizoma mirrors. The tail tighty. We do have to get another light. Alright, just because I don't know if I can be heard. Got the tail tighty, the exhaust. I do have to get another tail light, just because this one is my stock one. The other one didn't have turn signal integrated. I did find one on Amazon, so I'm just gonna get that one. And then we also have these stealth mirrors that are loose as fuck. I don't think that matters to me, because I already spent the money and they work. But yeah, before I pack it up, go inside. One last thing I need to do is put on this Yoshimura sticker. I would guess that mine's fake. You know, I don't have a real Yoshimura exhaust, but that literally matters none to me. I still got one that's louder than stock. This bitch don't go on nowhere flush. I'm probably gonna put it, because I want it to be seen. Do it go like that? Hell no. Hell no. Okay, nice try. It's gonna have to stay. Yeah. Let's see if I can.
Let me lift your mind to a new horizon. Let me explain something to you.
Probably press at the edges for a minute. Boom. Exhaust on a Ninja 650. Thank y'all for tuning in. Enjoy this random V-Day process. Thank you. I really have no more content planned. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna be starting like wheelie content. I'm gonna start learning how to do wheelies and stuff and stunts. You know, get out there now that I have free time. Until then, I am
Jessica the coolest. Peace, y'all.
trying to piss my buddy off.
It don't cost nothing to show a nigga love. Are we doing this